sides and shit, see all that? All these fucking things have all that shit fully restored, right?
Yeah.
That's a manual seat though. This seat right here is shot, but it's got the power shit on here, right? So we could take the fucking tracks off and break both of these seats down and make one good power seat, front seat out of that shit. You know what I mean? Yeah. See, this shit, that's just for the hump, but this fucking bar is pretty fucked up and ate up. You know, we could kind of straighten all that shit out. We might be able to get this shit to fucking look cool right here, but the main thing is this power seat track and all this shit and these tracks, because it's powered and you'll have a power front seat, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, you got that going for him. Man, the joint's solid.
It's solid, man. It's solid.
Man, the joint is
it's
solid.
Solid, man.
Real.
It's solid than the motherfucker,
solid
man.
For real.
Solid.
Ain't no fucking trunk panels needed, no floor panels needed, man. Just at a quick glance, I mean, the quarters don't look like there's no rustings on them, or there is a little bit right here. My bad. Let me get up here.
Yep, he said so. It's that hole, and it's a little spot that's in the trunk that he pointed out. It's that one and one that's in the trunk.
So there's that. That's, you know, not too bad, but we're gonna want to cut that shit out.
You gotta cut that shit out, yeah.
You know, to do it right. To do it right, of course. First thing I do is just have my guy strip it. We just get the whole car stripped to metal first and foremost, and spray black epoxy primer on the car so that all this shit's stripped off to metal. Put the black epoxy on, which is going to be our foundation, which the black epoxy is going to lock the metal in so that the metal ain't going to rust and shit, right? We can put the black epoxy on the metal and we could go throw it in a snowstorm for years and it ain't going to affect the metal, right? So that's what we do. Our bottom face off is that epoxy primer. Nice ball, man. Tracks in there. I didn't see my team might have grabbed me in the vent windows. They probably I just have to got everything that's there. The little vent windows that go right here. I know the quarter glass was there because
that's what he said. Yeah, he said those were missing. I asked if all the glass was there.
These are rag only. These tracks right here are rag only too, right? So all the rag only shit, I know what it is. Like the back piston panels are rag only. And all the seats, front seats are here. That back seat's gone. Why? Because that's a rag only back seat. Somebody takes that back seat, we're looking at $1,000 or $1,500 just for the back seat. So we got a good buy at $5 grand. We got a hell of a fucking buy. Whatever, anything around that price, he stole this motherfucker.
He stole this motherfucker right here, yeah. I'm like, bro, you could be goddamn 20, 30 into this motherfucker and still have profit room, man, if you wanted to sell it, man. You got a good ass buy.
Well, if one of these is done right, man, you can pull 50,000.
Easy,
motherfucker.
easy.
But then if you start going custom with it, you get more than that. You know what I mean? So.
I never really noticed until as of recently, but I was looking at IGN YouTube. It's a lane for these 68 too, man. Like in big wheels and hydraulics. I've seen them done in both ways. Yeah, both ways.
And stock.
Yeah.
Put them on their rallies, man. And their white goods love these things. They're going for 30, 35 on the rally wheels.
Rally wheels, yeah.
So yeah, it just depends on what he's gonna want to do. There's a lot of body work, not like it's just beat down, but there's a lot of body work to make sure that it's fucking laser straight, you know? A lot of block sanding straight to get it right. All this shit needs to be stripped off because it's got all this surface, everything, so. All the windshield trims there. Seems to have all the rag shit there. I didn't see these right here. That's gonna be rag only.
Yeah.
I didn't see that. That's rag only. You can still get that shit though. It's not like it's too hard to get or find. I didn't see it though.
He said he knew a guy that's over in Vancouver that pretty much had anything that you would need for a 68 rag,
I had a couple
like trim
dudes.
wise.
See how it is? This is all Bondo up here. We had to strip that out and see what's going on under there and shit. I mean, we had stripped the whole car down, right? Yeah, bro. I mean, you know, it's just gonna be how much homeboy wants to. What exactly he wants to do, man, and then we could go from there and figure out. Try to figure out a ticket. You want that frame off there, and the frame stock restored all black. So
just all black. That's what I would think.
You know, because I mean, you know, if he wants the joint full framed off, restored, and all that, depending on how much he wants to go, shit, man, he's 40 or 50 in this motherfucker, depending on where he wants to go. You know? You could be more than that if you want all the fucking doodads on the motherfucker all the way. You know, I don't know what he's looking to get done. You know, so the price can go from there to there and anywhere in between. You know, just depending what he wants. So he just I don't know what he want to do. If he wants to just tell us everything and we make up a price and come with it, or if he wants to just start with the body and the paint and then go from there and then figure it out, or how he wants to go. If he wants the whole thing done, all the nooks, crannies, he wants to stab off on the motherfucker out of here, you know what I mean? Then there's different game plans I'll come up with depending on what he wants to do.
Like if you want to be just basic and you leave one out, and then if you want to be candy, show ready.
It takes longer, right? And it's going to cost you more if you just do something and then do something else and then do it. If you just give me everything you want and I come up with one bill. And that's how much it is. You want to do that, cool. Send X amount, whatever it is. Once we get to a certain point, we're gonna hit you back up and you fucking just bring us down the change, bro, and we'll just keep it moving like that. You ain't gonna have to just fork it all over, you know what I mean? But right now, what I would do though, the first thing that I would do is get this thing stripped down and really, I just get it stripped down the metal so we can see what we got and get the epoxy primer put on here, and then we can start making moves from there. I could have Ben come over and do that, break it down, and you know, I mean, yeah, we could definitely do it. Just depends on what he wants done, bro.
I'm gonna hit him now.
What he wants done. It's safe